Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Shihan Chowdhury, aka Chili Pepper Cooks, and today we are making one of your favorite takeout dishes, Dan chicken noodles. Now here's the thing, this dish, it only requires a few simple ingredients and the steps are super easy to make. You can literally make this in under 30 minutes. First, we're going to make our sauce. Put in 1/3 cup tahini, 3 tablespoons water, ginger paste, garlic paste, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons chili oil, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon brown rice vinegar. Now here's the thing, if you don't have brown rice vinegar, you can also use black vinegar. If you don't have black vinegar, then you can just stick to using the white rice vinegar. Lastly, you know what, we have to add in the Thai chili pepper honey. Look at that color. This is locally from Illinois and it's pure and unfiltered. This is one of the best hot honeys that you can buy. Click the link in my bio to get yours. And we're just gonna mix all that up. Now we're gonna make our chicken. For this, you're gonna grab yourself a pan, you're gonna put it on medium-high heat, and you're gonna put in about a tablespoon of oil. Next, we're gonna put in our 1 pound ground chicken. To that, we're also adding about 2 tablespoons of diced shallots. And we're gonna cook this chicken fully through. Then we are going to add in 1 tablespoon hoisin, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon brown rice vinegar, and 2 teaspoons soy sauce. And we're just gonna mix that all up. And we're just gonna cook that for about another 3 to 5 minutes. Now, of course, while we did all this, we also went ahead and boiled our egg noodles. Now, you can either use egg noodles or ramen noodles. Here, I'm using about 8 ounces of egg noodles. Now, once that's done cooking in the pan, we're going to add in that sauce that we made earlier. And then we're gonna cook this sauce for an additional 3 to 5 minutes. And then we're adding in our noodles. And then we're going to slowly, gently fold our noodles in. And also, we're going to add in some additional chili oil. Once the noodles are nicely coated, then we're going to garnish with some green onions. And there you go. You just made yourself some Dan noodles in under 30 minutes. And look how much we made. This can easily feed about 3 to 4 people as long as you have some other side items. Also, keep in mind, you don't have to add so much of that chili sauce like me. If you don't want it as spicy, you don't have to add much chili sauce. But here's the thing, that tahini sauce that we made earlier, it's very creamy, it's very rich, and it does taint the spiciness just a little. So also keep that in mind. But the best thing about this is that as you eat, you can adjust it. So as you're eating it and you don't feel like it's spicy enough, at that point you can also add in more chili sauce. And now for the taste test. Let's get some here. Wow, you immediately get hit with so much flavor. Now here's the thing, these egg noodles just suck up all that flavor and it's well coated. And so you're getting that spiciness. Of course you taste that, but that sauce that we made earlier with the tahini and the vinegar and all the other ingredients that we added, you get a mix of all of that and it's just bursting flavors right in your mouth. This is so good. I can't wait for you to make this. Until then, I'll see you later.